which to uphold a clean, safe, and orderly electoral process for the 2025 national and local elections and one parliamentary elections. This covenant unites candidates, elected officials, Philippine National Police and other law enforcement agencies, national government agencies, and civil society in ensuring free, fair, and transparent elections in full adherence to the Constitution and election laws. We commit to protecting voters' rights, rejecting fraud, violence, and disinformation, and upholding transparency, fairness, and integrity. We support local security measures, discourage electoral violence, and uphold the rule of law. We denounce and do not support any group calling for an armed struggle, revolution, or violent armed groups which has no place in a free and democratic elections. With integrity, we pledge to serve the public, respect electoral outcomes, and prioritize national unity over personal or political interests. By signing